almost Christmas time.
I can be your girlfriend.
Huh?
Dogging, say hi.
Oh, no, that can be way.
Today is December the 1st. I put you guys in my bathroom because I discovered the light is good here. So I put you guys in the bathroom because I need to talk to you for a minute. Hold on, bestie, let me just do. So today is 1st of December. That means we have to give people their money. I'm so excited, I can't breathe. So it is the 1st of December. Yeah, so we have to give people their money. The first person I give his share is my God. I think last year in December I discovered a Bible verse that talks about giving God his due, what and what. So at the beginning of the year I made a deal with my God that I will give him his share, and ever since I give him his share, so I have to give him his share. And then, as you know, today is the 1st of December, so people need to get paid. So the people that work for Sweet, okay, Sweet is Shop with Tasha. It's my business and it has people that work for it, so I need to pay them their salary and stuff like that. And then the next thing that I have to do is pay for Wi-Fi because my Wi-Fi is expiring, and then I have to pay for I have to pay for gas, and I have to pay for water and electricity. That's that. I don't have to pay rent because I paid a few months in advance. And then yeah, that's that. I am so excited, you guys. I think you guys will be talking in here often because I love the light. Also guys, I don't know if it's gonna be like vlogmas with me because, as you know, we're still in lockdown, but I will try to post a collective of videos, like maybe a week or a few days, and we'll try, we'll try. On this channel we really will try and figure out life because we don't have life figured out, but we will make an effort every day to be better. Anyways guys, I just thought I should pick up my camera. Also, I'm always in a robe, guys. I always look homeless, but trust me, if I want to glow up, I really can. Happy Vlogmas, guys, and happy December, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, or compliments of the season, what's and what's, all those things white people do. So guys, I'm so excited. Anyways guys, I just need to make those transfers on my phone, the ones that I told you earlier, and then yeah, I will pick you guys up later when I need to do something. But yeah, I'm excited. I love you guys, and bye. Ciao. Anyway guys, I'm about to make some boiled fish, so I'm just I hope I don't touch my camera. So we're gonna add some salt and some curry, and then I add the fish. I have this leftover fish, so it's just alone, and like leave alone. So I'm gonna boil this, and then yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm scared of cooking my camera by mistake. I made my very simple meal: boiled fish and some cabbage and shima. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I really can't eat if like my shima is wet. Yes, my camera is getting steamy, but yeah, I can't eat when my shima is wet with gravy, so I prefer to see my because yeah, my heart is literally the ghetto. Hi. It's so weird, guys. Literally living my wildest dreams. Hi guys, it is very early in the morning. I woke up an hour ago and I was just on my phone just laughing at memes and stuff like that, and then I prayed, and so I was checking one of the text messages and I realized a friend of mine who lives in the city sent me a link of like the brief that the mayor of the city had, and it says we're out of lockdown. I'm so excited. It's just so early, so my energy is low, but I'm excited that we're out of lockdown. Isn't that nice? So we're out of lockdown. I'm so excited that we are really out of lockdown. So I'm gonna try and do something out of the house. This brings us to what I have been trying to talk about every day, every time. So I recently moved to the city. Yeah, I graduated uni in June and my visa was expiring in September. So when I was moving to the city, my visa was expiring, let's say I moved to the city on the 9th of September and my visa was expiring on the 15th. So between the 9th and the 14th, I had to do what I have to do concerning the immigration and stuff like that. So I had the 9th, but obviously I landed here on the 9th. It's impossible to do apartment hunting, to do residency permit, to report to the police, to go through the immigration. It's a process if you're a foreigner living in a country that takes immigration stuff really seriously. So I just built some homes, apartment hunted for some homes, and this was the best. But as you know, also I don't want to take away the fact that God, I'm grateful for this home. I'm grateful for this house. I'm grateful that I have a roof over my head. I'm grateful that I settled in just fine. I'm grateful for this new experience. I'm grateful for this humble beginning. I think for a humble beginner, someone that's never lived alone, someone that has never had a house, this is such a great humble beginning, and I do not take it for granted. I'm so grateful, God. Thank you so much for this home. Thank you for everything. But as you know, as humans, we just want to see what's out there. So what I'm trying to say is, because I picked this house abruptly in a rush, I love it, but I want to see what's out there before I extend my lease for 2023. So yeah, we're going apartment hunting, bestie. So yeah, we're going to see if there is anything I missed out or anything I did not view when I was in a rush trying to find a house. So yeah, we're going apartment hunting. We're going to see a few houses. It is, what's the time now? It is 7. This is too early for Chinese people. So what I'm going to do is do 30 minutes of an assignment. It's 90% done. I just have to add referencing and yeah, just references and just touch-ups here and there, and then I will clean my house, make breakfast, and take a shower. Yeah, I hope by then it will be like 10 or 11 or something. So I will text the agency and then they will assign an agent, because I speak Chinese, yeah, but like my Chinese is not that deep. I can't start saying no, I want a microphone, no, I want. So I will just use an agency. So they will assign someone that's going to go with me as I apartment hunt, and then yeah, we will view some homes together, and I'm so excited. Also, I haven't washed my face yet. I just woke up and I picked up the camera because I was excited. Anyway, we will speak when it's time. Okay. So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you I want to retaliate, my love. Oh. See all the little good things you do that make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come get out, I'll make you low. Anyway, guys, I'm done cleaning my house. I was jamming to music, some Afrobeat, and now I feel awake. I'm in the mood. So, guys, we are outside today. I'm so excited. I can see people moving down from my flow, and it's so gloomy outside, but just some fresh air outside. So guys, I'm going to take a shower and I will see you when we are going outside or when we are outside. So this is what I intend to wear. These shorts, that is too cold, so I might have to replace them with jeans or something, and this bodysuit. And my scent of the day would be this. I keep my perfumes, like my designer perfumes, in their actual boxes because I read somewhere that it keeps the scent. I don't know, but like I don't know how to explain, but if you like keep your perfumes in there. Is the product showcase on? Okay, and this Forever 21 and some Balenciaga, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear these shorts because it's cold. If I wear this, then I have to wear a long jacket. Okay, we'll figure it out. Let me take a shower and then we will. Guys, also I don't have an iron. That's crazy. But yeah, this is what I want to wear. I will show you guys what I end up picking because I'm so undecisive. Okay. I ended up picking something very different. Let's pack my bag. I don't think this bag will also fit the camera because I think it's too cold outside. Okay, let me change my bag. So I have decided to carry this. I think this is the best bag ever invented here. Oh, what's in my bag? Just my card holder, my glasses, my AirPods, hand sanitizer, and the camera. Let us go.
最近怎么样？
听不懂。
就是最近你还好吗？哦。
听不懂。I just want to view some homes before I extend my list for this one. But I like this area.
哦，听不懂。OK。
Okay. This is nice. I like this one. Of course, you have to like change, remove the rack. You have it. This is the laundry area. And this is where the homes is. This is a 2-bedroom. So this is the bed. As this is the first bedroom. Because we make you feel at home. This is the second bedroom. Hi. Are you still sleeping? I'm looking for an apartment. I need you to help me pick which one. This is the first one, right? I don't know if I like it, but obviously you make it home. This is the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Yeah, and this is like the dining area. I just don't like the bathroom really, hey? It's a modern bathroom, but whoa. Let me show you. I love this area and stuff.
The sink is nice. I like the sink. The mirror has lights.
Yeah, maybe if I like clean it.
And you can make some stuff, like some adjustments to the bathroom. It depends.
Yeah.
Get.
Okay, yeah, this is the first one I'm viewing, and I don't think it's that bad. Like. Okay.
We need a break.
Alright, let me. No, let's go and view the other one and then I will decide.
哦，那我听不到，听不到。
Sangha.
3个，另一个看其他的。
Yes, we can do
OK，
it.
那个房子有点远。
Is that your car? 的是，可是你哦。
对。
Really?
对。
So beautiful. Do you want me to be your girlfriend? I can be your girlfriend. Me, you and I, girlfriend. No? Am I not beautiful?
Yeah.
I'm just joking. It's a joke. I like it here. It's beautiful. Too many handle. Why goreng jaga?
Yeah，这里很多，这里离西南大学更近一点。
对。
对。可以插进去啊。等会儿你试一下。这个钥匙应该是有问
I
题。
love it.
怎么拔出来的？
这个好看。
Yeah.
So beautiful. I love this community, but there are lots of black people that live here. This is the first bedroom. Closet is too small compared to my other home, my home. I love the community here. It's beautiful. Too many black people though, so I don't know. But it's beautiful. Room is much smaller, but it's new. Love it. Love this one. Even the couch. The second bedroom. I don't know. Maybe if I can just ask them if I can remove this and then make it a beauty room. Love it. It's smaller though. The kitchen. It's giving. I like the sink also. Okay. They have this thing for the gas here, but I could like use. I love it. This one is nice.
Yeah.
I think it's from here. And the fridge is much bigger. This is nice. This is so beautiful.
Yes.
Where is the TV?
TV.
Huh?
它这里应该没有。No TV.
Here's the bathroom though. Oh, they have a washer. Where do I turn on this? May I again?
Yeah, no. 这。这里装不了电视。
This is so nice. Like, I found the next one. I think this is gonna be like my home. Let me show you. So this is the couch. Love it. Love the aesthetic. This is the first bedroom. Yeah. Love the view for this one. Really. Yeah. Exactly. You're right. But like my lease expires. Say hi. I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Oh, no.
My lease expires next year, right? And here you know how you like pay rent for like 6 months, 3 months in advance. So I wanted to make sure if I really wanted to renew with that particular house. Just for better thingy. Like when I came here, I just had to pick an apartment abruptly because my visa is expiring, you know. So like I had to pick one this day. I love my home, I love it, but just for wanting to see more. Yeah. So like I don't know. Now that I'm viewing places, I'm just like I settled there comfortably, and I love my area. This place is nice. The view is nice, but it's like there are too many black. Get home. Today's Sunday, so we need to catch up. No.
OK，
可以。
但是要过几天。
过几天什么意思？听不懂。
哦耶。
哎。Contact you。
但是房东说他如果电视他可以安装 TV， 但是不会很大。
OK, that's fine.
不会很电视不会很大。
OK,
OK OK。付钱 money。
Yeah.
3个月。
Okay, so 3 months in advance.
Yeah, 3个月，然后再交1个月押金，然后
yeah,
然后给我们半个月的。
对。
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
I think if I pick the house, this is gonna be my home. I love it, but I just hate that too many Africans in this area. Too many Africans in this area, but love it. The landlord said he's gonna put the TV, so I could put a TV there and stuff like that. It's so unreal. I feel like these people just don't mind me vlogging. Anyway, I'll switch you guys later. Today is the 5th of December and it is 10:43. I've been up for a while. I was in bed editing this current vlog because I edit as I go. What else? Yeah, just been in bed editing the video, the clips of this particular vlog, and then on the side doing an assignment, listening to music. I've been up since like 4. I really wake up early. Anyway guys, also a friend of mine says this bonnet looks like I don't know what traditional ceremony it is in Zambia, but they wear something like this, and every time I'm like on a first time with this particular person, they'll be like, no, where's your bonnet, what and what. I don't know, I don't think he's right, I just think he's a hater. So if you think this bonnet looks like that traditional ceremony, I don't know it exactly, but after he said it, I was like, yeah, I think it's a cute bonnet. Anyways guys, I picked you guys up because I just wanted to check in and say hello. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten. I didn't eat last night because what happened? I was too tired, so I just made a cup of tea and went to sleep because I had eaten the whole time. But like the process of me cooking supper, I really want to sleep on time these days because it's cold. So I just made a cup of tea actually. I made a cup of tea and then I went to sleep. So before that I got a call from a delivery guy, and he's like, oh, I have packages for you. So I was opening them and I realized I need to open them with the fine babes because now things are going back to normal. So things are starting to arrive and business is going back to being business. So I did a few shopping. I did some shopping for myself. I wanted to, should I open everything at once or I can just give you, like I can show you. I'm so excited, I'm just gonna open anyway. So yeah, in case I want to take a thumbnail. In case I decide to put this in a thumbnail. So guys, let's open these 3 items just for myself. I feel like I haven't really splurged on myself, so we're going to open. The first thing I got were these shoes from Zara. I think my adult self would like really wear these. These are shoes that my adult self would wear. So yeah, I will show you guys like the try on part. I would just, it's so cold, but I'm gonna try them on for you. So I got these, so cute. I think these are like, I'm starting to grow or to build my adult closet because I'm no longer a child anymore. I'm growing. So this is the first pair I got. I will try it on for you, don't worry. Then I got these. I was so excited for these. I literally just opened them out of the box. I couldn't put them back because look at this. Look at this hot pink. They are a bit squash, but this is such a gorgeous shoe, guys. I saw it on one of these Instagram baddies and I'm just like, I want it. I want them. Love it. Love them so much. I was so excited. I literally pick them up. I love them. I don't know what this is, but let's open it. Let us open it. I hope my dress is not on that side. What is this? Oh, I remember. It's a winter coat. Those fur coats. No? Why does it look weird? Oh, child. It's the winter coat. This is so fulfilling. This is so fulfilling to open new stuff. It's this fur winter coat. Love it. I have this one in a brown, but it's small, so I decided to get black, and then the other one I'll just give it to my relative or somebody that can fit because it's small. I think my arms have grown bigger now, and that was I think that was small. I got this in XL because I hope it fits. I believe it will. Actually, this is 2XL because I think these are small cats. So yeah, that's that. I'm so hungry right now. I think I'll just start making lunch because if I make breakfast, I'll be hungry and I'll have to cook again at 1 or something. So I'm just gonna make that. Oh, I'm just going to make something heavy. So I'm just going to make rice or something. I don't know if I should take you guys. I really do enjoy cooking. I think you guys have noticed. I will take you guys to the kitchen, but what I'm making is like really simple and really basic and stuff like that. And also I like to charge my phone because later in the day I'm going out. Yeah, so I just thought I should update you guys because we're doing vlogmas, so this is really me updating you. Also, I'm used to wearing my bonnet like this because I feel like it crops my forehead. But if you have a forehead, you have a forehead, and the forehead adds beauty. So, okay, guys, I'll pick you guys up later. Cute. Wait, let me turn on the light. Hi guys, I finished eating 30 minutes ago. I was just on my phone just chilling and stuff like that. So I received a text from that man, the agency. So they're like, oh, there's another house, because I didn't give them feedback. I didn't decide on what I wanted, so I did not give them feedback. So he texted me today. He's like, oh, there are other houses that you can see in case you didn't like any of these. One thing about people in this country, they take customer service really seriously. Customer care, customer service really seriously. I think for me, even my business, I learned from these guys. Not like really forced customer service and good customer service, but like in the way they do things, you'd really like appreciate the fact that these guys are really like trying, you know, the follow-ups. Do you like the house? Okay, we can view more. Are you free? Are you available? So I'm stuffed right now. I'm very full. But what we're gonna do is shower really quickly and then go and see the other apartment. Of course, I'll take you guys. I hope my memory card is not full, so I will take you guys with me really shortly, because the process of me transporting the files that are currently on this card will exhaust me. If not, I can just vlog on my phone. And yeah, so let me just get ready. Let me shower really quick. Also, you guys, have you noticed that I really speak really fast? And it's crazy. My mind speaks really faster. Like my mind speaks ahead of me before it actually comes out of my head. I don't know why. So I'm learning to speak as calmly as I can. Yeah, so that's that. I will take you guys because you guys are my people. So yeah, I'm just going to shower really quickly. I don't know if I'm gonna even put on a wig because wigs are hectic. Yesterday my head was paining me. So let's go and view this fourth house. Is it fifth house? I don't know, but let's go and view this fourth house. And yeah, I will take you guys along. And This is nice.
Yeah. No TV.
Why?
这边房子很多没有电视机。
This is nice. I'll put my bag here. So I show you guys. So this is the first bedroom. I think I should come here. Love the window. Love that there's so much light. Love the closet. Space. The fact that there's apples also a really deal. And it comes hand some pots. I love that it's modern. Storage. But this is like a new Jagashin. It's new. Yeah. There's a microwave. I think this. Yeah. Modern new. Love it. This one is nice. I love this one. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. guys, I found the house that I wanted, but I think it's like really nice. This one is the one. This one is so beautiful. It's nice. I'm actually emotional because it's like 2,500. That's really above my budget. So yeah, we'll see. Hi guys, this is Tasha from the editing studios. As I'm editing this vlog, I realized that I might have pressed something and this footage has no sound, so I'm going to give you a short rundown of what I was doing. I went to the mall to window shop because I was happy that outside is open. So I went to the mall to window shop, and here's me explaining that this is my best friend's favorite perfume, what and what, all of that. So yeah, and then I went to eat at Burger King because the restaurant I wanted to go to was closed. But here's me eating because yeah, guys, I was so hungry. So yeah, here's me eating, and if you've come to the end, you've reached this far in this vlog, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.